Hey, what's up, Berrydos? Welcome to another story time. I'm so sorry, say, but it kind of be delinquent, but you know how the thing go. In the meantime, if you hear a little sound in the background, it's the AC. It are on because me a burn up. Place very hot. So, this story time is about the time I don't even know what I'm going to caption it. It is a time that I was caught with a dirty magazine. Yeah. Alright, so this story dates back to about what, 2000, or like long time ago, like long time of years ago. I was in high school. I don't know why I keep on talking about you. All of my story times did in high school, and I have to do something with my mother or my father. It's like me never have no friend, like me never have no life, me never have no interesting story. But anyway, so this was when I was about 14 years old. But I was in 8th grade. Now at this time, I still did, me kind of geeky. I did have one and two friends, and I had another friend that was called, I can't use him actual name. Just call him Michael, So I had a friend at the time, and Michael did kind of geeky, and like into them time that they like Dragon Ball Z and Pokemon and Digimon and them something there. And when you got Area 51, you go collect all of the card them and them something there. Yeah. So Michael was them type of picnic there. Me and him never in the same class, but just because it was with the fool, I like, we just end up turn friend. So anyway, around this time, me did very curious about everything where I go on in the world, and when you kind of geeky and nerdy, you don't know where I go on. So everything I have a cable. So you used to stay up at night time and watch the little late night Cinemax on HBO. Cause like around 10, 11 o'clock, then would put on some little out of the movie. And while you could see all kind of nakedness, you get to see a little, you see a little one nipple there, a little one, It was them type of stuff here that them show up on TV, and you used to sneak and try to watch it when you can. HBO, Showtime too, all Showtime too, yeah man, HBO, Cinemax and Showtime. Them used to show some out or something. So anyways, me used to fascinated with them little things then when I come to school now, and the whole away as nerd kind of group up and we sit down and chat about what we see, and all kind of excitement, them something a big excitement, while the other pick them like the cool kids, them did actually do things, so them could have share, but yeah, we couldn't really share nothing. So anyway, so at one point in time, there was this magazine called
Hard Copy Magazine.
Now this was like what you call it now? What the magazine they are firing with Hugh Hefner? I can't remember the name. The Playboy magazine. This come like Jamaican Playboy magazine at the time. And so people used to write in with them sex story, and they would have like naked girl in there and all kind of something, and the story them explicit. I used to see it when I go shopping with my mother, or them something there sometimes you see it hang up. And I say, when in the magazine I want to see it? But I say, how me can get for buy, because them not gonna sell me as a little pitney. So them time now, I link my friend Michael now. Michael say, yo, you have one lady in an Africa lie. You have one lady in an Africa tree, right at St. William Grand Park or something. I just said, no one of this, so the park in an Africa tree. One lady in an Africa tree, one old man in an Africa tree, where she would sell the hard copy magazine to like the pitney them. Well, not really pitney, but if you're in high school, you can kind of get it because she just take the money. Anyway, the money there, she take the money. So same time now, I save up my money, and I did about $200 feet. And then they would take a little bus, jump from Excelsior, gone on the Mountain View bus, and them time they have the $200 ready, I say,
Jesus, people, I say, how we gonna do it because after school now, about 3, 4 o'clock, people are walk past.
So it come like a smuggle way, I smuggle drugs. So I'm $200 now, and it's like, I'm nervous now, I never want to go feed. So I just give my friend now and him pay for the 2 white for it. And him come now, and the thing come in on like a white clear paper. I'm put it in my bag same time, and I say, Bunky Didos, when I go home, a shillings. And so I go home now, and like, I make sure wait until I go home and do my homework, make sure my mother come in and she cook, and my stepfather at the time, and them got them bed, and then I just stay open at the night now, and I make sure some kind of push up my door, and I read the story them. People, when I said the story them did explicit. That was the first time I hear about something called them like common climax and something here about one woman that she got Elsha, and when she got Elsha with her cousin, and then she woke up one youth and she go in one corner with him, and some story about people that do things in a car, and them time that my brain just like, wow, me never know say I saw them things that go on in the adult life. Me I like Jesus and people have sex them type of something there outside of one bed. My face they come like the Home Alone, something like But that is what it was at the time. And so I don't know what I do, what I do. You know, when I read a story and you know, I'm not going to say that I was you know, kind of, you know, helping my, you know, I'm not going to say that I was doing anything. I was just reading the story. My hands were, you know, yeah. So because I leave that. And me I read the story and all I know, so the next thing I know, wake up in the morning. When me wake up in the morning now, because school didn't go on the next day. It was like a Friday now. So I wake up the Friday morning now, me I looking at the bed now, me get up and me I say, wait, me can't find the book. Me can't find the box of book, me can't find the hard copy magazine. Me I say, Jesus and P, me I dig up and lift up the mattress. Me I try to think, I wonder what me could I do with the book. Me I wonder if me get up at the big night and put it in a knapsack. Me look all over the place, me can't find it, me can't find the book. Me I say, Jesus P. Anyway, you know, I say, clearly, I must put it somewhere, I'm just not remember. I go to school now, I tell my friends I can't find the book. They are nervous now, I say, Jesus P. I don't understand how I go, I can't find it. I reach home now, I say, well, everything that I eat my food, you know, my parents give me food, I sit down there, I look at me and say, well, everything alright. I can't bother. Maybe I just something wrong with me, my head just gone. Me know, so I didn't know, like, I start, like, the Friday evening now, I did it, around 9, 6 o'clock now, so I try and get my little homework done. I only hear one voice. Rashane! Come here! So same time, normally I said, Jesus P, you know, I probably like a wash up plate because you know them look something when you look up in it, you have to wash up all of the sink, the dishes them in the sink. So I run now for go wash up the things them in the sink. And when I go around there, I step in the room, I see my mother, and I see my stepfather look at me, so I say, what the hell? But then a little mind so just take a little look further down, and when I take a look further down, people, there was the hard copy magazine just open up. You have one woman just skin out so right in the middle of the center. And yeah, my face struck out. And mother was like, what is this? And then something you're messing I got school for read. And during that moment in time now, it's like me, I wonder what me I go do. What me I go say, because I know say tutus from this and the belt. The belt I'll go follow from this. My stepfather just said, I look at me and my mother, but my mother like, you know, she like, yo, out hard something here you must make sure, you know, like she said, no, them, that you got school for right now. So, needless to say, Charles gonna make it from me and say, yo, me can't tell my mother say I save money for go buy a hard copy magazine from a woman in a half a tree and me get my friend set me on panic and everybody will get in a problem. So same time now my match up in my brain and I say, you know, I'm gonna tell her, I say, yo, when me I come from shop, I find it on the sidewalk and me just stay curious and I take it up and carry it to home. And so that was it, and she called my father the next day and say, yo, my out hard and all kind of things. I meeting my father in the car. My father basically just tell me, say,
Yo.
what? I never know this out. But all I know, so when I go, because my father used to carry me to school. So when I go into the car and my father was like,
so you get out of the magazine?
I mean, like, yeah, daddy. And he's like,
oh, okay.
and that was it. Not another word, there was just no knuckle nada. My mother swears that me will get beat like nothing. What me I get beaten for? I want to go out of the magazine. Like everybody do them look at something there. And that was that. That was the story. The hardcover magazine. I buy another one again after that. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted one third one. I used to buy. One of the magazine is still about right now. But I'm not lie. Still why them story there, you know, when you read some story. Jesus P, me read some story, but me have to say no man. Sometimes me have to say, yo, people are make up them story. I can't real life. Real human being not so careless. People not so careless, man. Things with them cousin and then all a funeral in a church. Me I say no man, peace man. Them hard copy magazine story that Jesus P are the science fiction. Well, that's it, peeps. I hope that you enjoyed this story time. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow. Gee, some people coming here. At TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all over. Oh God. If you want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.